This is the white Polish. This particular color and breed can be shown at poultry shows in the Continental class. If they'll sit still, they're wanting to move around on me. They are imported originally from Eastern Europe into England and nicknamed Poland fowl. Of course, today they're a very domesticated breed, and they've been mentioned early as 16th century. They have a full crest of hair, or feathers I should say, or a top knot, and then they also have a muff, which are feathers that grow underneath the neck area. They've been noted for a long time for their beauty and ornamental factors, so they make a unique bird to have around the yard. They show very well at poultry shows and make very good pets for kids. Different varieties or color varieties of the Polish have been admitted into the American Standard of Perfection from 1874 through 1996.